Hey guys, today we're going to be making organic sweet potato chews for our pups. We're going to start out with one big beautiful sweet potato and we're going to give it a good wash, a little scrubby scrub. And we'll just pat dry. And we'll start by peeling our potato. Sweet potatoes are not as easy to peel or cut as regular potatoes, so just be warned. Now we're going to cut our sweet potato into 1/2 inch or maybe 1/3 of an inch thick slices. Dogs usually like them on the thick side. And like I said, they are really tough to cut, so just be very careful. So now we're going to use a cooking spray on a metal cookie sheet. Place the slices of sweet potatoes on the metal sheet in a way that they don't touch. Turn on your oven, but make the heat the lowest you can get. For my oven, that was about 170. Put the cookie sheet in the oven and leave it in for 3.5 hours. In 3.5 hours, you're going to remove the potatoes from the oven. And then grab some tongs or whatever's easiest for you and turn them all over. We're going to put them back in the oven for another 3.5 hours until they're soft and dry. That's the magic sound. So we're going to remove them, turn the oven off, and wait until they cool completely before you give it to your pup. Come here, cutie. Got a little treat for you. I store them in a little Ziploc, or you could even put it in a little Tupperware container and keep it in the fridge. It yields about approximately 20 sticks depending on the size of your potato. And you can always make longer slices depending on the size of your dog, but as you could see, I have a little girl who's not even 10 pounds. Well, thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe if you would like to see more holistic pup content. I'll see you soon.